Hey folks, Shane from 105.1 The Blaze, and it's time for another cocktail recipe. Now I know you've been hanging on for this one. This one is called the Boston Rye Party. It's a whiskey drink, and oh man, that's good. If you like rye whiskey, this is your drink. We're going to learn how to make it right now at Lucy's Lounge in the Tower District with Sara Premavera.
Hello everyone, we're back with The Blaze and we're doing another cocktail. This cocktail is the Boston Rye Party. This is Robbie Rincon's cocktail. It is from either our first or second menu, but it has been a house favorite for several years now. And it's a fairly simple recipe. So we're gonna start by putting a cucumber wheel in our shaker. You don't have to muddle this because we just really want to get the essence of the cucumber. We used bullet rye for this one because we love it. And we're gonna do an ounce of bullet rye and an ounce of Pimm's. And we're gonna do a 1/4 ounce of golden falernum. And you don't wanna use too much of the golden falernum because it will overpower the flavor of the cocktail. Little bit of sugar, just a 1/2 ounce. And we're gonna balance that with a 1/2 ounce of fresh lemon juice. And when you're making the cocktails, it is very important to use fresh juice, not the little bottled juices, fresh juice. That is the only way to go. So we're gonna give this a really good hard shake. And that's gonna help with the cucumber flavor in the cocktail as well. Add the dilution we need and chill it up nicely. We are gonna double strain this cocktail as well. This is a nice, refreshing whiskey cocktail. It's great this time of year. And like I said, it's a house favorite for a couple years now. We've sold a lot of these. Everybody loves them. It's a solid, great cocktail. Robbie did an amazing job with it. And then for garnish, we're just gonna put simple little cucumber wheel. And that is it, our Boston Rye Party. We hope you enjoy it. And again, you can come down and let us do the hard work for you if you don't want to make it at home.